Hey guys, it's Stephanie. I'm back. I've been gone from YouTube for about 5 years and I really want to do this as a hobby again. I left YouTube for a couple years because it was just no longer fun for me anymore. I really got burnt out on the type of content I was making, and it's not like I ever made like a serious income off of this. It's always been a hobby. And when it was a hobby and it felt like a chore, it was just not something I enjoyed. So from now on, I'll be doing things like baking, craft projects, home projects, gardening is something I really love. Just really like more, I guess it's like lifestyle and things that I do in my everyday life, and just sharing that content with you guys, whether it be baking bread with my daughter, who's actually helping me film this right now because I'm so nervous and I don't know what to say, to just like my everyday life, I guess. Just little tidbits that I want to share. If you guys are still interested in watching those things from me, I would really love to share that with you, and I'm looking forward to just kind of creating and having fun with this. So if you guys are interested, stay subscribed and I will see you in the next video. Bye.